With two mechanical levers, the operator can lower the large stabilizers, assuring excellent stability even on soft or muddy terrains. The case DNA boom design with overlapping cylinders assures strength, visibility, and transportability. Two types of sticks available, the standard one for excellent lifting capacity and the hydraulic extendable dipper for maximum reach. The hydraulic side shift option allows the operator to easily move the backhoe arm side to side in less than 5 seconds. The hydraulic quick coupler device can be easily activated by pressing the switches in the cab for a fast attachment change. Feel the experience of Case Backhoe.